Hi, I'm Ian Crampsey from ATD Paint and Decorating. Today I'll bring you a review on behalf of the Trade Decorator TV, and the product we will be reviewing is the Wagner Professional Spray Pack. So let's start by opening the box and see what's in it. I know it runs off an 18-volt Bosch battery. This is a little kind of bit of description of how it can be used. Yep. More twisting and turning, yep. So it tells you about the accessories and everything in there. A little bit of awkward music there. I bet this is the gun. No, it's not. It's a charger. Yeah. It's a good old-fashioned solid charger there for Bosch. You know that Bosch is a good brand. So the hose looks like a good size. It's the thinner sort, so more for touching up and stuff like that, I would say. Got in here. I'm looking forward to seeing what the gun's like, because I've not really used the Wagner. It's a solid 4 amp battery. It's pretty cool. No doubt we'll charge that tonight and get spraying tomorrow. So that's awesome. With the tip, they actually give you the filter required for that tip and the type of finish you need. I've not seen that before. I think it's a really good touch. Nice one, Wagner. What have we got there? Yeah, here's the gun. Also like to remind everyone to be very, very careful when using the sprayer. There's a lot of information there regarding fluid injection injuries. They are absolutely horrendous. So just take your time when you're doing anything with these. That's a nice solid gun. I like that. Whoa, that's nice. Beautiful. Comes with a 410 tip. Is it a... Yep, it's also a flip tip. So if you get a blockage, you can clear the nozzle then all over your apprentice. And we're getting to the fun part now. That's a lot of instructions for a machine, yeah. Why have I done that, boys? I don't know. And again, they've done it again. They've given you a red tip, FineFinish. We can really test this out and get a good finish, like a good feel for the machine. So that tip there, 210, I would say is for finishing like cabinets, stuff like that, spindles, because the orifice is quite short on there. Well, orifice is small. The actual tip is a 4-inch fan. It's allowing you to get it nice and close. Cool, so take it. It's quite simple to set up by the looks of things. You just twist that nozzle and away you go. But we will set it up and show you. You've got your straps there. You've got the on-off switch there. Okay, so that there must be a safety. That's prime. That's prime. So in order to get the sprayer to work, because it's airless, you need to get the air out of the system. By doing that, you prime it. So you switch that to prime, and then when you're ready to spray, turn that to spray. But we'll show you more on that tomorrow. Okay, so your hose attaches there, onto that beauty there. I believe it's a 4,700 ml capacity on the tank. I'll just see if I can get into this. That's safe. That's good. That's all your little gubbins. We won't bore you too much with it now. I'm going to put this together. Anything massively important, I'll come back and we will share that. So yeah.